Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to install Norton in Windows 10. Open your web browser and paste a link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Click on Free Trials at the top of the page. Scroll down and click on Free Trial under Deluxe option. Set the path and save the file. Close your web browser. Open the installation file. Wait until Norton Download Manager is done. Installation window will open. Click on Agree and Install. Wait until it's done. If you have an account already, enter your email and password to sign in. If you don't have an account, go to Create an Account tab. Enter your email address and re-enter it to confirm. Create a password. Enter your first and last names. Add a phone number. Choose a country. Click on Create Account. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!